John Phelps with a little bit of mathematics maintenance fun using Excel quizzes. So what we're going to see, if I click on here, you'll have access to all of these spreadsheets, is a little exercise. This would be practicing the 3 times table. So if we go back to home here, there are subtraction, division things to look at. So how do we set this up? We're going to click on demo here, and what I've got over here is, if I go, just to show you what's happening, if I click on 8 4s are 12, press enter, oh, no change. What about 5 1s are 5, press enter, and we can see we have got a smiley face, which quite appeals to many students. So how do we set this up? I'm going to go over here first of all and click in column N, where I'm going to type equals and say whatever is in I4 multiplied using the asterisk which is in there, press enter, and the answer is 32, so we're happy with that. So I'm going to use the fill handle and fill down the answers. Now we're going to click in here and we're going to make an if statement. So we type equals and if. Now if I then use brackets and say if whatever is in there equals in whatever is in N4, comma, and then we're going to use speech marks, which will say print capital J, close the speech marks, then we're going to have a comma, and open the speech marks again, capital L, close the speech marks, and close the bracket and press enter. So we are getting a capital L there because that is wrong. However, what we're going to do now is go across here and change the font to Wingdings. So I'm going to scroll right down to the bottom here, and sure enough there is Wingdings, and we have got the wrong answer. So what I'm going to do now is just double click on this, and that will fill the column down with Wingdings all the way down there. And hopefully, let's just test this, 8 4s are 32, we are happy with that. Okay, just a couple of things left to do before we finish this tutorial. I've typed in score here and 10 here, because now what we want to do is to count the number correct. So in here, I'm going to type equals count if. Then I am going to open the brackets and say highlight everything down here in M. Say count if anything appearing between M4 and M14, comma, open the speech marks and type J and close the speech marks and close the brackets and press enter. So it's saying there are no J's appearing down here with the Wingdings font. So let's see what's going on now. We'll go 8 4s are 32, and hopefully that have jumped to 1, 1 5 is 5, and I have got 2 out of 10. Very happy with that. Now some of the observant people will say, hang on a minute, John, we can see the answers here. What good is that to the students? So all I need to do now is right click on here and hide that particular column, and I'll keep going. 7 6s are 42 and press enter, and that is all we needed to do to see this little tutorial fun with maths maintenance. Hope you and your students will enjoy it.